Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look on the euro currency. So you can see our suggestion was correct, and indeed, yes, the market has dropped further and has completed finally our nearest target. It's the COP of this ABC top. Pattern is 107.54. So, well, as we have the bearish context, despite that overall price action not very strong, well, we could consider the next target. Next target will be around the OP. It's 106.10 approximately. And this target is also interesting because if we will take a look at this large ABC top, the COP of this large pattern will coincide with this OP. So both of them stand around 106.10 area. So here's, we do not have any oversold area. Sold levels here, so here is relatively free space because market already has broken through the all support levels, and now you see some tending to the downside. It's moving through the COP, so reaction on the COP currently stands not really very strong. On the intraday charts, we also have some closer standing targets, intermediate targets between two of them. So on the follow time frame chart, for example, we have the ABC top. That's the OP that we discussed, 1.05. So we said yesterday as well, it's too small reaction, and probably our reaction will continue, and indeed now it stands to the downside, and you can see market gradually is coming to its intermediate targets 107.21. It's also 1.7 extension of the butterfly. That's the XOP of this ABCD pattern. It's approximately 107.20. There's two target stands. The butterfly 1618, well, I don't have it on this chart. Let's see how deep it stands. It's approximately, take a look, it's very close to daily targets. It's a bit higher, 106.30. It's 106.10. Anyway, in scale of the daily chart, it stands very close. Something around these lows. Also, guys, it's interesting that the target stands below these lows, and it means that chance that market will hold above these lows, well, it's not very significant. It's definitely kind of the washing range should happen. Maybe market will not just break through the lows and continue downward action, but at least to complete the OP target, to complete the minor COP of this large pattern, it should show some, at least, fast breakout of this low, some kind of the washing rinse or something of that sort. So these lows hardly will survive, and it means that the stops that have been placed here also will be triggered. That's a tricky moment for those who keep long position and with the stops below these lows. So that's a very important moment. So that being said, currently, as we discussed yesterday, based on this price action that we see here, it's definitely not the bullish context, not the bullish type of action. Reaction on the COP target stands very small, so actually almost no reaction stand. It's minor pullback here. The market is gradually continuing downward action. Now to the downside, we have two targets. One is around 107. It's intraday targets and probably will be hit within a few hours. Next one stands on the daily chart. I'm not sure that definitely will be hit today. So today's Friday, and market will start preparation to weekend. So as you know, investors right now will do not want to keep trade in position through the weekend, because weekend is the time of uncertainty. The weekend, different news could be released. Politicians could speak on the weekend, so that could change the situation significantly in the beginning of the next week. But anyway, it seems on the daily chart, the next target stands around 106. So that's what we have on the euro currently.